in Professional and Community Service is conferred on Donna Digna Salvador Rosario. Teacher Donna Digna Rosario believes that a small action done sincerely and with Christian love brings increased blessings both to the giver and the recipient. Life's early adversity for her turned into opportunities to share time, talent, and treasure to everyone, but especially to those with special needs. Taking on the guidepost, quote, commitment in lifelong learning is in a caring environment, unquote. Heartily involved in various academic, athletic, environmental, and socio-economic concerns, teacher Donna Digna is a gallant model of voluntary service to fellow men. Her presence brings sunshine, which she shares generously to be passed on to the next generation. Presented this day.